Hi, today I'd like to show you how I prepared this mop. So my mop is broken. It broke right here. And now I need to fix it. It was one piece, like that. And it was attached to this piece. And I've designed a quick replacement part. This is the first version, but it was a little bit too big and didn't quite fit below this rotating cube. So then I've designed another part, and then another part, and then another part. This is the final one. It fits perfectly, but I've then decided to make it in white PETG because it would fit nicely with this one. And this is my final piece. As you can see, I've just chopped this part away, and the idea is to slide it into and just attach it to this piece. As you can see, it fits nicely. It's white, so just let's glue it. This is the two-part epoxy resin. Okay, so it's ready now. I will just put it aside to let it dry, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so after a while my piece is glued. Now it's time to assemble it. It should be pretty straightforward. Just slide it inside. And there I have it. 3D printed part, which looks as good as original one. Ready to work, ready to swipe. And here it is. I couldn't be more happy with it. It works really great. It looks very nice. So be sure to check my other videos and see you next time.